Welcome everyone, my name is Michael, and today we're trying out an experimental pour. I'm going to call this waterfall pouring. I'm going to try to use 2 bowls, okay? Fill them about halfway. I'm going to place them in my hand like this. Hopefully we can get a nice cascading effect onto the canvas, because I want the pressure from the top bowl to hit the stream of the second bowl and create some cells as pressure builds up. So hopefully we accomplish something close to that. I don't know. Like I said, experimental. Let's have some fun. I'll go through the paints as I put them in the bowls because I want to separate each section is going to go in each bowl. I do have the titanium white as my pillow base. This is thicker than the other paints out here. I do have silicone in all the colors except for the 2 whites. This is the thinner white that will go into the bowls and is the same consistency as these. Let's just get right to pouring. This seems like it's gonna be fun. So let's start out with the first bowl. All right, so I'm gonna layer the white on top here, just a little bit. Okay. Then we're gonna go with our dioxazine purple. We go light blue. We're gonna do violet, and we're just gonna repeat that pattern. I do have a thing going on where I have my colors are semi-opaques. I'm just trying things out. I don't know what it's going to lead to. That's how I'm running it. I'm going to run my colors as semi-opaques as much as I can, just to see if I can get desired results. Okay, so a little white here. I don't want to go too much. I think even on that first one I went too much, but that's okay. I think we're eventually going to switch off and just go color without white. I don't know. Let's see. I don't want to fill the bowls too much, but this is a nice size canvas. This is a 10 by 20. So it should be fun. I think it's going to be my last round here, going through this. Okay, there we go. I think let's do 1 round without white. It's going to be the first coming out anyway, so it's fine. It's going to hit the pillow. And there we go. So first bowl, we're going to say is finished. I'm going to put it up here. All right. Now, second bowl. And we start out with the white. Yep. Now we're going to go with an emerald green. We have a cadmium yellow light hue. And then we have turquoise. And let's do the same. Let's just repeat these patterns. All right. This is gonna be something. I don't know what we're going for. I'm kind of excited. I'm not even gonna fast forward while I do this. This actually is not taking too long. I'm gonna go as fast as I can. And if we're following the same pattern here, I think I have to go just a little. Ooh, I think I went a lot of yellow there. Just my last of my white right here. Okay, there we go. Last of the white. Titanium white is gone. Now let's finish off this cup. The emerald green. All right. Yellow again. And here's our turquoise. Finish her up. All right, 2 cups done. Let's put this one here. Let's go for our pillow base. Here we go. Ooh, look at that. Oh, it's so nice. I love it. Okay, here we go. Question is, did I give myself enough pillow base? Which, probably not. I think I want to spread this out a little, actually. We're going to see what's going to happen here. Yeah. I'm not sure if this is even going to cover that canvas, guys, but cool. We're trying. Experimental. Still fun. All right, let's wash this around a little. Stick still moves very well. Get this up here. And hopefully we can get that right down there in the bottom corner. Oh, yeah, nice wave. That was a nice wave. All right. Okay. Here we go. Pillow is down. I'm a mess. Let's wipe my hands. All right, guys. Get ready. This is going to be something. You don't usually see this part, huh? Ooh. Okay. Now, let's pop some air bubbles, of course. All right, here we go. I see a lot. There's a lot of air bubbles in this. Not sure if I even hitting this right now. This is really thick. There's a ton of bubbles in here. Okay. It's good. All right, so question is, which bowl on the bottom? I was thinking purple on the bottom. I'm not 100% on that. What do you think? Looks good? Or go like this? Maybe too much force. All right, let's go like this. All right, so let's try. We're gonna place the one bowl here, right? We're gonna have to do two hands. Yeah, I think it's probably better to do two hands anyway. But I want to get it perfect. Ready? All right, guys. Here we go. So let's start here. And we're gonna pour right about. Let's see if we can get right in the camera. Go. Nice cascading. Pour right across the canvas here. Here we go. That purple is really just taking everything, huh? And the green. All right. All right. We can do a hard pour here. There we go. I mean, the majority of it came out right there, but it's okay. This is cool. Want to check out these bowls? Get silicone in there. Should we just spread that around? Nah, let's go with what we got, guys. All right. And I'm gonna do a little torch, not a big torch. I just might get rid of some of these bubbles. Let's see if that pressure opened those cells up here. Okay, I love this pattern right here. This is amazing. Wow, I love it. I feel like that purple got darker. That's probably just me, right? All right, guys. Woo! Let's do this. This is crazy. All right, here we go. Let's get the big guy moving. We're gonna have to get around this canvas somehow. Definitely leading to some really wild designs here. Kind of like a straight pour. All right, we're gonna just do a heart tilt off there, and of course, bump it to the camera again. That makes sense. Let's come down a little. Oh, we're gonna bump the camera again. How's that sound, guys? You guys see that? All right. Let's come back this way. There's a very, very, very messy pour. Alright. Oh, I like it. I don't mind the negative space, even if I have some left over. This is a very, very extremely messy pour. But it's kind of pretty. What do you think, guys? Kind of pretty. Let's bring her back down and see if we could drip her off the corner and get these cool patterns going. Yeah, that white is really thick, right? Yeah, how slow that's moving. I might keep that white in there, though, honestly. Kind of liking these patterns. The big side is really weird looking compared to the little side. So let's bring her down a little. And it's different. I don't know. I like it. I like the colors. Wait till you see the finished green right here. Would love to get rid of some of that big side, but I think it's just going to add to the character of the painting. Would love to get it to slide down a little more. And that white underneath was very thick. You're getting a nice bright green right there. That emerald green. Alright, now, this painting is really crazy looking. Let's drop her down. Alright. Move her over. Alright. Yeah, she's pretty. She's a pretty one, huh? Alright. So, let's throw some torch on here. Alright, guys? Here we go. Let's crank her up. Alright. Let's see what happens. Alright. Beautiful. I really do love the waves. Nice wave. The waves are very nice. So you know that that's going to lead to, let's do some beach. Let's do some beach colors because I feel like that the blue and the whites are going to look really nice in here. All right, guys. I guess we're going to go for a close-up and have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow.